hats. More hats. 1, 2. No more. Okay. That's okay. That's okay. Punuin mo. Woo. More hats. Uy, tumigil. 1, 2. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. How many more? 1, 2. Punuin mo naman siya. Yeah. More hats. More hats. More hats. Yeah. Ilan pa natitira? 1, 2. I know. 1, yeah. 3 na lang. 4. Hats. Wow. Isa pang whistle. Yeah. Woo. Isa na lang natitira, oh. And then magbibigay na siya ng cash. Kasi puno na, oh. Isa na lang. Ito na lang, oh. 1 more hat and that's it. And I have how many more? 2 more free games. 1 more hat. Pag yan, oh, ano na, pera nang bibigay niya. 1 more. Yeah. Bibigyan ng pera na yan. 3 pera niyan. Pera na bibigyan niya. You'll give money. You'll give money. See? $60 na. Every time there's a hat, $20. Wow, it should be good. Big. Yeah. Post it in YouTube. Taho, no? Lahat na mansion, no? Lahat yan, mansion. It's like this. Woo! It's gonna be big. More hats, more money. More hats, more money. No more mansion. More hats. 3 more hats. 1. Oh, isa lang. Oh, yeah. 3 ulit para $60 ulit. Pero okay na, puro mansion na yun. Puno. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
Umikot lang basta.
30. So let's say 30 ang isang hat. 20 na naman. Wala na, tapos na.
Tapos na?
30 mansion. Pagpalagay na isang mansion is 30. 30 times T. 30 times 30. 900 na agad yan. Ang minimum nito. Siguradong jackpot to. Jackpot to sigurado. Oh, puno oh. Oh, puno oh. Yan nag-oh, pinipin pala kaya. Has to be grand. Let's say isang mansion is 30.
Isang gabi,
Ha?
isang machine, 2 weeks ago, $1.
Oh, oh grand? Oh, okay. Oh, walang ano grand. May 150 oh. There's a 150. How much is it?
$750.
What? Ah, expect more. It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
750.
Minor, $150.
Puhunan na ako ha.
Yeah.
Kadarating lang eh.
Wow. Hindi na tayo.
No, kadarating. First machine ko pa lang to eh. Hindi pa. Grabe pa lang labas ng hat eh.
Dala sa ganun.
Tsaka tinatiming ko pag yung unang ano eh.
Wow.
750 ah.
Ay, hindi. Bali, 800 plus na. Kasi may...
Yung kanina.